Hola, I'm Steve. I'm from Canada.
Hola, my name is Trevor and I'm from Vancouver Island, Canada.
Well, hello there. I am Thomas.
And I just think it's a beautiful place here. Cuba is so wonderful. The people are so friendly. So I'm so happy to be with you today. We just had a really good party. We played some music. We learned to dance. It's wonderful.
It has helped me find so much passion and love within the sound, the quality of what we want to perform. It allows our souls to be so free and vibrant. It just makes from inside to out. I've had such a wonderful experience being here. The culture, the vibrancy, the energy, the passion, and the love all about it has just been the gracious thing I've had. It's been one of the best experiences of my entire life.
This is my first time coming to Cuba. Never been here before. I've traveled a great deal in the world, so I've been to a lot of different places. Culturally, I would say that this has been one of the most moving experiences I've had as a musician. Earlier today, we commingled with a jazz band here, and I got to play alongside some musicians that were amazing. And here's the beautiful thing is I'm the only one in the band that doesn't read music. So today, having fellow musicians that play by ear and just play because they're passionate about playing was a gift to me, because I was able to fall into my element with them and just play from my heart, which is so important.
What is with Cuba? You came 300 years ago where you go with your family, something is going on.
My name is Rick Becker. I'm from Nanaimo, British Columbia. I came here on this excursion with the Mid-Island Community Bands.
Hello, my name is Jill and I'm from Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada.
Hello, my name is Marlis Enders. I am from Nanaimo, BC, Canada.
From Vancouver Island, Canada!
We've been having a wonderful time. I think that this program is very worthwhile for any musicians or school bands, choirs, dance companies, sports teams. If you want to come and enjoy the real Cuba and have a learning experience, this is the program for you.
We have absolutely loved our time here and the activities, the musical activities that were coordinated by our tour guide and our tourists, and we have been transformed by the wonderful depth and complexity of the music, and we have been transformed by the friendliness and the sincerity of the wonderful leaders and musicians that we have been given the opportunity to work with, and we are very grateful.
I cannot describe the amazing memories and amount of learning that I have experienced on this trip. The musicians have taught us so much about their jazz rhythms and their history of the music, and I come every evening. I am my mind is exploding with everything I've learned and the history and the culture. And our tour guide is so amazing. She has taught us so much and described so much about the surroundings.
Another thing that I've been blown away by is the lack of prejudice in this country. I have felt so welcome, and just seeing the way the two cultures of history have come into Cuba and have bound together as one people with one music and one dance, even though it's so varied, has been amazing to both me and my wife.
I would definitely recommend anybody in the West or over the world to come to Cuba because it's a lot of fun. The musicians are fantastic and friendly. So thank you so much.
I would recommend this to anybody that would love to see more about culture, learn about, especially about music. I would never say not to come here. It is the best place to get it. You are gonna never be the same when you come back.
I think it is a place where the rest of the world could learn how to be with people and how to love and appreciate one another wherever they're from and from whatever culture they're from. And so I can't wait to come back again, and I would highly recommend anybody coming to this country to experience the music, the dance, and the people. Thank you for having me.
I would highly recommend it to all of my friends and colleagues back in Canada and anywhere around the world that wants to come and enjoy Cuba, its music, and the wonderful people here. Thank you.
I would absolutely recommend Canada Cuba to any musical group that comes here if they want to make their bands far more authentic and sincere in their Latin music making. We would look forward to the next time we come back.
I would completely, absolutely recommend this to anyone. To learn more about a culture and a history of a people that is absolutely generous and giving and talented. And I can't recommend this program enough.